Racing just is started. We have Z Senor. First to show quickness at the start. Moscow Valley Zari outside. Pink Lady inner class comes next. Then followed over by Security Force. While Daredevil is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Z Senor by about 2 lengths. Pink Lady in second. Security Force is on the outside. Inner class Moscow Valley, while Daredevil is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have C Senor by about half length. Security Force in second. Pink Lady still in third. Inner class is done in fourth. Then next on line is Moscow Valley, while Daredevil is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have C Senor by about 2 lengths, and in second is Security Force. Pink Lady is down on the inside third. Inner class is down in fourth as they swing for home. Si Senor by about 4 lengths. Pink Lady to take second. Inner class is down on the inside. Security Force. Last 75 meters, we have Si Senor, and finally Si Senor. Second is Pink Lady. Inner class Security Force. Daredevil and Moscow Valley.
Parang dividendo na lang hinahanap. 8 pesos ang po.
Ganun ba? Yung uno dos?
8 yata. Tingnan, mamaya.
Alright.